Hello and welcome to Health Tricks and Tips in English. Today, we're diving into the impact of frequent masturbation on physical and mental health, and how to restore your energy and vitality. So you've decided to take control of your energy levels. That's amazing. Change takes time. Start by setting realistic goals. Don't aim for drastic reductions immediately. Focus on small, achievable steps. Maybe reduce the frequency by 1 day a week or be more mindful of triggers. Initially, you might experience intense urges, and that's normal. It's like your body and mind going through withdrawal. But remember, this is temporary. With consistent effort, it will gradually become easier to manage. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate the small victories and keep moving forward. One effective way to regain control of your energy is to redirect it into other activities. When you feel overwhelmed or restless, channeling that energy into something productive can be incredibly beneficial. Engaging in sports or physical exercise is fantastic. Not only does it keep you fit, but it also helps clear your mind and improve your mood. It's not just about a good workout, it's about pushing your limits and feeling that endorphin rush. The sense of accomplishment you get from achieving a new personal best is unparalleled. Do you have a hobby you're passionate about? Maybe painting, writing, or playing music? Immerse yourself in it. These activities can be incredibly therapeutic and provide a creative outlet for your emotions. The goal is to keep your mind and body occupied with activities that bring you joy. Whether it's gardening, dancing, or cooking, find what makes you happy and dive into it. When you're fully engaged in something you love, those urges naturally take a back seat. Your focus shifts, and you find yourself in a state of flow, where time seems to fly by. And hey, let's not forget the power of a simple walk in nature. The fresh air and serene environment can do wonders for your mental clarity and overall well-being. Experiment with different activities and make them a part of your daily routine. The key is to stay active and engaged, finding joy in the process and discovering new passions along the way. We live in a world saturated with sexualized content. It's everywhere we look, from our phones to the billboards in our cities. Constant exposure can be a major obstacle when managing urges. This relentless bombardment can lead to stress and anxiety. Start by becoming more mindful of the content you consume. Take a moment to reflect on what you are watching or reading. Pay attention to how certain movies, shows, music, or social media posts make you feel. Notice the emotions they evoke in you. If certain content triggers urges, it might be time to cut back or find healthier alternatives. Consider switching to more uplifting and positive media. Explore content that inspires you and aligns with your goals. Engage with media that promotes growth and positivity. Listen to podcasts about personal growth. Watch documentaries about nature. These can provide a refreshing change and new perspectives. By making conscious choices about the content you consume, you're creating a more supportive environment for better energy management. This mindful approach can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Did you know that what you eat can significantly impact your energy levels? Ayurveda emphasizes the connection between diet and vitality. Ayurveda recommends a diet rich in natural, whole foods, especially those that enhance energy. Think milk, nuts, dates, and foods high in healthy sugars. These foods provide sustained energy without crashes. Ayurveda has a treasure trove of herbs known for their energy-boosting properties. Two of the most revered are ashwagandha and shatavari. Ashwagandha helps the body adapt to stress and promotes balance. Shatavari supports hormonal balance and enhances vitality. In today's fast-paced world, our minds are constantly bombarded with stimuli. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are surrounded by noise, notifications, and endless to-do lists. Meditation, particularly deep breathing exercises, is like hitting the pause button on that mental treadmill. It allows us to step back and take a moment to breathe, to find a sense of calm amidst the chaos. It's about creating a space of stillness to observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment. This practice helps us to become more aware of our mental state and to understand our reactions better. Meditation is not about emptying your mind completely. It's about training your mind to focus. By concentrating on your breath or a specific thought, you can learn to control your mind's wandering tendencies. Even a few minutes of deep breathing each day can make a world of difference. It can reduce stress, improve concentration, and enhance overall well-being. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breath. This simple act can help you center yourself and find peace. As you inhale, visualize drawing in calmness and energy. Feel the positive energy filling your body and mind. As you exhale, imagine releasing tension and negativity. Let go of any stress or worries you may be holding on to. With regular practice, meditation can help you develop greater self-awareness, making it easier to manage urges. Over time, you'll find yourself more in tune with your emotions and better equipped to handle life's challenges. To wrap it up, balancing your energy is about small daily actions. Experimenting with these practices can give you valuable insight into how they impact your energy and focus. Finding a balance between ancient wisdom and modern science can empower you on your journey to a healthier life. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to discuss them with your healthcare provider. If you want to read more about this information, check out our blog. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more insightful content.